Nifty's sharp decline over the past 6 sessions, driven by escalating tensions in the Middle East and soaring crude oil prices. We'll discuss key macroeconomic reports to watch, including the US FOMC minutes, US CPI data, and the crucial RBI policy outcome. Plus, we'll highlight the impact of FIIs withdrawing from Indian markets and what lies ahead for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Well, the sentiments have gone from bad to worse in the last 6 trading sessions. Honestly speaking, it appears as if the sky is falling on Dalal Street. Blame it on the continued turmoil in the Middle East. Please note, crude oil futures have spiked towards $77 per barrel, the highest level in 6 weeks, amid worries about potential supply disruptions in the Middle East. The big question, what's next for Nifty? A couple of critical macroeconomic reports which will command investors' attention. 1. The US FOMC meeting minutes to trickle on Wednesday, 9th October 2024. 2. The US September CPI on Thursday, 10th October 2024. 3. Focus on RBI MPC outcome to be wired on Wednesday, 9th October 2024. Bottom line, the street braces with markets assigning a nearly 84% chance the Fed will deliver a 25 BPS rate cut in November rather than another jumbo 50 BPS reduction. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 80 to 93 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 13 to 45 crores. Sentiments shall waver in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight oversold technical conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked to 15.08 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 0.85. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to trade choppy and waver. Nifty, CMP to 4796. Biggest intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,413 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,201 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,600 and 25100. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 50479. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 49,654 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,801 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,000 and 51100. Bias for the day is neutral. Well, Nifty is just witnessing one of the worst panics at Dalal Street as the sentiments are extremely sensitive and vulnerable to any news flow from the Middle East. Nifty has fallen sharply from its new record high at 26,277.35 mark. Please note, Nifty's 200 DMA is placed at 23,238 mark. Also, blame the pessimism at Dalal Street to China's widest stimulus in nearly a decade. Please note, FIIs have pulled out over 37,000 crore rupees from Indian equities in the last 6 trading sessions. Hero Motors withdraws DRHP documents for raising 900 crore rupees through IPO. Vodafone Idea shares dropped 6.5% in yesterday's trade, registering a low of 8 rupees and 91 paise per share. Vodafone Idea stock declined after the company missed the deadline to submit bank guarantees.